Hello students, these are the next two exercises from chapter number 12 N and F hook. These are the exercises number 83 and 84. Let's start with exercise number 83 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sirs, I believe that the addressing machine shown on page 22 of your monthly bulletin would be suitable for my use, and if it is satisfactory, I may purchase one. I should be glad if you would have one of your salesmen call at my office to tell me more about the machine. Please ask him to phone before he comes so that I may be ready for him. Yours truly. There is a train which leaves Euston for Liverpool at 7 o'clock, and also a train which leaves at 9 o'clock. You can buy a return ticket for 10. Vast changes have taken place in business and industry in the last 10 years. I believe that generally the changes have been for the better. There is no doubt that wages are higher and that in general, people work fewer hours than formerly. However, it is certainly true that workers have to specialize in one line more than ever before. I have gone over the records and I note that although the business we have done with some firms has been smaller than we hoped, the total sales have been better than we expected. Next is exercise number 84 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Mr. Payne, I have known Mr. John Lane for 13 years and I am of the opinion that he will make a very desirable member of your club. He began work with us as a stenographer and has risen by successive steps to the post of general manager. He has a fine personality and we feel that it is an honor to have him as a member of our firm. Very truly yours. From January until the summer, we have decided to keep our store open on Thursday nights until 9 o'clock. It will be open every Thursday night until June, and from then on we shall close at 5:30 p.m. as usual. Within the past few years, the volume of business in the southern districts has been much larger. In some industries, business has been better than in similar industries in the northern and eastern districts. Such industries as cotton, textiles have shown a marked increase in the past 10 years. In my opinion, in the next 10 years, there will be increases larger than those that have been already noted because of the lack of rain in some of the western districts of Canada. Dust storms have often occurred. These storms have done much damage to farms and crops. Some of the districts in the western corn belt have been affected. Large numbers of farms have been covered in dust, and it has not been possible to grow anything. In many cases, houses have been entirely buried beneath a load of dust. So these are the next two exercises of chapter number 12, F and N and F hook. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.